Imagine you are lying on your sofa watching a football match and giving a presentation at your office at the same time. I know this may sound crazy, but this is possible if you are shrunk to a tiny particle. Let me try to explain the dual nature of matter through this experiment. We place a cat inside a wooden box, a cyanide bottle, a radioactive substance, and a hammer which can break the cyanide bottle, and close the box. If the radioactive substance decays, the hammer will break the cyanide bottle and the cat will die. It all depends on the radioactive substance whether the cat lives or dies. Until we open the box, we are unaware of the position of the cat, and therefore we call this superposition. It is only after we open the box do we come to know whether the cat is dead or alive. We can further extend this analogy to small particles like electrons, which are said to be both particles and waves at the same time, just like the cat was being both dead and alive simultaneously. For example, in some physical phenomenon, like interference of two waves, when two different stones are dropped in stagnant water, we find particles having wave nature, while in phenomenon like photoelectric effect, when electrons are ejected from the surface of a metal, when light of a particular frequency is thrown on its surface, we see its particle nature. Let us now understand the particle nature of electrons through a very popular experiment known as Young's single slit experiment. The experiment consists of a board which has a single slit and a source of shooting electrons. When the electrons pass through the slit and strike the screen, they form a usual single fringe pattern. While the Young's single slit experiment shows the particle nature of electrons, the wave nature is exhibited by the double slit experiment. We have a source of shooting electrons which shoots a beam of electrons towards the two slits on the board, which act like waves. These two waves interfere with each other and show bright and dull fringes on the screen, forming a wave-like pattern. In order to observe which slit does the electron actually go through, we set up a detector. Interestingly, the electron stops showing its wave nature and shows particle nature again. It is similar to observing the position of the cat by opening the box. The cat decides to show just one position, be it dead or alive. Our world is not the way it appears, a strange result of probability. We are both particles and waves. It's the great wave-particle duality.